Precision meets performance in weather measurement technology. The best expensive handheld anemometer offers unmatched accuracy, durability, and advanced data features, making it the ideal choice for professionals who demand reliable wind speed readings in challenging environments and scientific field conditions. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. AOPUTTRIVER Handheld Anemometer. The AOPUTTRIVER Handheld Anemometer is a high-precision wind measuring tool that stands out for its advanced features and excellent build quality. Designed for both professionals and hobbyists, this anemometer offers a wide wind speed range of 0.001 to 100 mph, with impressive accuracy of plus or minus 3%, ensuring you get reliable readings every time. It also measures temperature in both Celsius and Fahrenheit, displayed clearly on a large backlit screen that's easy to read in any environment. One of its most notable features is the USB data transmission capability, allowing users to connect the device directly to a PC for real-time data recording and analysis. Whether you're analyzing airflow for HVAC systems or monitoring wind conditions for outdoor sports, this functionality makes it incredibly versatile. The device also includes a CFM meter for calculating airflow, which is perfect for technicians who need to evaluate air volume in ducts or ventilation systems. Users can customize the airflow area through the intuitive interface, making calculations faster and more accurate. The AOPUTTRIVER's design is durable yet lightweight, featuring stretchable and adjustable blades for flexible use. It's also energy efficient, automatically powering off after 5 minutes of inactivity to save battery life. Number 2. Testo 405i Handheld Anemometer. The Testo 405i handheld anemometer combines precision and innovation in one sleek, portable device. Engineered for HVAC professionals, this Hotwire anemometer measures air velocity, temperature, and volumetric airflow with outstanding accuracy. What sets it apart is its telescopic shaft that extends up to 15 inches, allowing users to measure airflow even in difficult-to-reach areas such as air ducts and vents. The compact and lightweight design makes it highly portable, and the intuitive operation means it's ideal for both beginners and seasoned technicians. The device's wireless Bluetooth 4.0 capability allows seamless connection to smartphones or tablets, enabling users to view and analyze readings remotely. Paired with the Smart Probe app, data can be displayed in tables or graphs, stored for future reference, or compiled into detailed reports, making it perfect for data-driven air system diagnostics. The Testo 405i's precision Hotwire sensor ensures stable readings even in low airflow conditions, helping professionals fine-tune ventilation systems with confidence. The app interface further enhances usability by providing visual feedback and allowing users to document findings effortlessly. Compact enough to fit in your toolkit, yet powerful enough for professional environments, this handheld anemometer is a perfect blend of reliability and modern technology. Number 3. Bonvoisin Hotwire Handheld Anemometer. The Bonvoisin Hotwire Handheld Anemometer is a professional-grade tool designed for those who need precise air measurement across various applications. Offering readings for air velocity, airflow, and temperature, it supports multiple units including m per s, kilograms per hour, feet per minute, knots, and mph, making it highly adaptable to any measurement system. The device also provides advanced data such as wind chill, maximum, minimum, and average wind speeds, ensuring comprehensive performance monitoring. One of its standout features is the 2-meter probe system, which includes a telescopic rod and a flexible cable, allowing users to measure airflow in hard-to-reach spaces with ease. The probe's bendable tip adds convenience, while the protective orange case enhances durability during transport or field use. The anemometer includes a backlight mode for easy readability in low-light conditions, and it automatically powers off after 10 minutes of inactivity to conserve energy. Through the built-in USB port, users can transfer data to a computer and use the provided software to visualize trends and generate line graphs, an invaluable feature for engineers, technicians, or researchers. The unit is CE, FCC, and RoHS certified, assuring quality and safety compliance. Number 4. Aicevoos Handheld Anemometer. The Aicevoos Handheld Anemometer is a versatile and dependable device that delivers accurate wind and airflow measurements with added environmental insights. Capable of measuring wind speed in 5 units, meters per second, kilometers per hour, foot per minute, knots, and mph, it offers precise readings across multiple use cases. What makes this model particularly impressive is its CFM display feature, which allows direct airflow volume readings without the need for manual calculations. Beyond just wind speed, it also measures wind temperature and relative humidity, giving users a complete picture of environmental conditions. The separated extendable wind sensor is another major advantage, enabling easier measurements in areas with limited accessibility, extending up to 2.3 meters for maximum flexibility. A large backlit LCD screen ensures readings are visible even in low-light conditions, enhancing usability during night operations or dimly lit environments. Ideal for HVAC technicians, drone enthusiasts, sailors, and outdoor sports lovers, this anemometer is both portable and practical. The Aicevoos device's compact form factor makes it easy to carry, while its accuracy and multifunctionality make it a reliable companion for airflow, humidity, and temperature monitoring. Number 5. BTMETER Handheld Anemometer. The BTMETER Handheld Anemometer is a high-performance tool built for precision airflow measurement and data management. This multifunctional device measures wind speed, wind temperature, airflow, relative humidity, and dew point, all in one compact instrument. It offers a wide wind velocity range of 0.3 to 40 meters per second with a high degree of accuracy, plus or minus 2%, and displays results in 6 units for universal compatibility. The wind temperature range extends from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring dependable readings in various environments. One of its standout features is USB data logging, which allows users to monitor and record wind conditions through their computer using the included software, ideal for professionals balancing HVAC systems or conducting detailed airflow analysis. A built-in metal screw hole enables mounting on a tripod for hands-free operation, while the large backlit display makes readings easy to view. The device also supports real-time CFM readings, eliminating the need for manual airflow calculations. Compact and portable, it includes a protective case and auto shutdown function to conserve battery life. Whether you're testing AC output, measuring duct airflow, or monitoring wind for outdoor activities like sailing or drone operation, the BTMETER Handheld Anemometer delivers professional-grade accuracy and versatility. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.